To make your videos interesting, what you can do inside of CapCut is utilize effects. And CapCut has a lot of effects that you can utilize. So to access them out, over here on the left hand side, effects is an option, as you can see, and there's a lot of effects as you can choose from, as you can see, to make the videos look interesting. For example, let's say for example I want to go around and use this effect right here. So all the S glow is here. Press the plus button and the effect is added in. The effect is added in as a separate layer, as you can see, so you can span this across different videos as well. So as I go around onto this as effect area, you can see that it actually changes out the video clip right here, and this is how it looks. You can also go around and add in, let's say, multiple effects out here together as well, and then what happens is that they will be applied. Let me just go around and delete this and add something like this right here, just like this. So there's the by the fireplace right here, and it's loading. So let's just go around and drag it, and you can see that this is how it looks. So if I were to go around and click on this clip right here, in the adjustment you don't see anything. That is because for by this fireplace there is no adjustment option. Let's just go around onto S glow, and you can see that this is what you have. Depending on the effect right here, like whatever you bring in, you might get different effect as well. So under the adjustment, there might be different effects that you can work around with as well to change how the effect actually look. Let me just go around and bring in this right here, but for most of them, as you can see, they are simply what you bring in right here, just like this, and there's not much of an adjustment option for them. So you can see that this is what you have, and that is how you can add in effects right here to make the videos look interesting, and you can span the video if video effects right here, or just call them effects because they affect everything, pictures and whatever graphics you keep underneath them right here. And if the video is over the effect, then it doesn't actually affect the video, but if it is under, then it'll affect it, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go around and apply effects inside of CapCut. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.